Today my lesson is how to properly apply a vertical punch. Now look at my punch. If you punch this way, the wrist joint may be damaged. Therefore, it is wrong. Look at my hand again. Wrist joint, elbow joint, shoulder joint, it may be damaged. You are applying this way. How to absorb pain, especially shoulder. Therefore, it is wrong. Now you can see this position is okay, no pain, absorb the pain, no shoulder pain. It is a press 2 knuckles. You can apply press 2 knuckles. This is wrong as well as it is wrong. Now you can see this is the best way for vertical punch. It is okay. Yes, okay. You should give attention for your press 2 knuckles, especially press 2 knuckles. This is wrong. This is wrong way. Now let's see how to make a fist. Now you can see it is wrong. It is best way for vertical punch. It is press 2 knuckles you can apply. It is okay. Now you can see how to apply vertical punch properly. It is the best way. No pain. Yes. Now you can see it is wrong punch. It may be damage our wrist joint. Yes. As well as it is wrong punch. You can see it is the best punch for vertical punch. You can see. See you next time, next video. Okay. Now you can you know how to apply the vertical punch properly. Yes. Have a nice day.